Welcome in to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. This content is not official financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button right there. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos, guys. Thank you so much. Moving on to today's content. First, we're going to start off with the fear and greed index for Bitcoin. We can see it's still at greed, still at 63 here, as we can see, right on the edge of turning green, but also right above the yellow. It's indecisive still, guys. Still greed in the fear and greed index, as we can see here, just consolidation sideways without making a new pivot high above 68. So we'll definitely keep that in mind. But all in all, just a lot of sideways consolidation, as we're going to verify in the charts today. But before we do, we see Bitcoin's current price is $28,000, and it's actually up 0.18% in the last 7 days, as you can see here as well. So that further validates that not a lot of movement, not a lot of volatility in the markets in the past couple of weeks, and the charts are going to be able to validate that as well. Guys, we have a free educational playlist here for you guys. Link in the description down below. Take a pen, a pencil, a piece of paper, dig in. A lot of quality educational videos there for free for our community. Then we move into the Bitcoin charts today. Again, as we said, around 28K, as we can see here. Currently, at the time of recording, we have a red negative bearish candle, but we do see the small wick here and the small impulse move towards the upside, pushing the price up, that wick there exactly at the lower part of this ascending channel. So right now, we're stuck in this range, right here, just trying to make a decision. And there's only so much. At one point, it's not going to fit, and you're going to either have to explode towards the upside or explode towards the downside. And you would say, Jay, obviously it's either going to go up or go down. Yeah, but the key levels is where it's at. Price is always going to fluctuate. It's always going to go up. It's always going to go down. But that's the importance of support and resistance, is learning to identify technically with technical analysis which of these levels are going to be the pivotal ones before we have further continuation in price movement. So right now, a lot of consolidation sideways between the range of $26,513 support and the $28,679 resistance level. Something's going to have to give, but when it does, we expect a massive explosion. If it's to the upside, it's to that $31,800 resistance as that first target. But if it's to the downside, then we expect $25,171 as that next support, as a possibility in the next couple of weeks. But there's no way that we head into May without a decision, guys. We're gonna have to make a decision here, for the good or for the bad or worse. Decision time is coming for Bitcoin. There's only so much that is going to be able to stay within this pattern before providing an indication of where it wants to go. Same deal here on the weekly. We can see further validating what we're trying to state here. Just clear consolidation, small bodies, sideways action here, as we can see with these candles. Just going sideways. You don't see a massive pump up or a massive dump down yet. You do see the inklings or the inclination of an uptrend here a little bit, but all in all, still stuck in this range. Still hasn't made a decision. But once it does, most likely in the next couple of weeks, man, we expect a large explosion from Bitcoin's price action, a lot of volatility to come back into the markets. If it's to the upside, market's going to get extremely bullish because these are key resistance levels right now. If it's towards the downside, then obviously the bearishness comes back. So we'll see how that reacts. Bitcoin dominance stuck in this range as well of basically 46.70% and 47.70%. So that's a 1% range here before possibly moving on up to that 48.32% resistance in the next couple of days or weeks as well. We'll definitely keep an eye out for this. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is staying up here though. Let's see if this holds. You do see a considerable buy wick here, a green bullish candle today. And we just have to wait and see if the retracement is done or if there's a little bit more left, after this upswing, major upswing, if the dominance is going to either fall back down or if it's going to continue to make bullish consolidation, guys. And yeah, we see Bitcoin all in all 28K, healthy at $542 billion market cap, $14 billion volume, down 17.76% in the last 24 hours. Man, but all in all, Bitcoin continues to be healthy, continues to remain intact in its uptrend, as you can see here, ascending channel formation, and all in all, it looks good. It looks good for the next couple of days. On this weekly, we see here, we do see that we might be getting a weekly cross soon, so that's something that we're gonna definitely keep an eye out for in this channel. But yeah, man, all in all, Bitcoin is looking really nice. Don't forget, link in the description down below. We have our website, great tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and I hope you guys have a good one.